question 4 is more of a reading question. It refers to the sister's height being 57.3 inches. It also talks about it's being divided up into 5 divisions per inch. So when I think about divisions of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm not going to put a fifth one because I have section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so if we were to think about dividing 1 by 5, we would get the number 0.20 if we type that in our calculator. So really, this would be zero point 0.2, zero point 0.4, zero point 0.6, zero point 0.8, and then that gets us back to a whole. We'll get to that idea in a second. So they're talking about accuracy, and then they're also talking about what is the actual height of the sister. The first thing I'm going to interpret is, well, look at these answers. Okay, they all say 57, and then there's a decimal spot. We know the answer is supposed to say 57.3. And then I have all these numbers down here. And so they're asking which one of those could actually be the actual height. To me, this question is probably more about rounding than anything. So we know the answer is 3. So we would be looking at the number that I'm underlining. This is called the 10th spot because it's on the right-hand side of the decimal. And so when you do rounding, you look to the right, and then that number dictates whether the underlying number is going to go up or it's going to stay the same. Now it can only go up 1. So if this number was, for example, a 6, that could become a 1, but it's not. So these zeros don't match the 3 up above. So in my mind, all of those are just kind of odd. So there's really two numbers that are close to 57.3, and it's both B and C. Well, again, if I look to the right, I have the number 3. That doesn't tell me to go up, so that should stay 57.2. This says 57.32. That doesn't go up again. So to me, C has to be the answer. This test is going to have lots of different questions, so please understand that. Rounding, using some logic, and remember, we don't have to get every question right. So if this question wasn't making sense, you give it your best guess and you move on, and then you make sure you find the questions that you do feel comfortable on and you get those ones right. Good luck.